I came on my terrace to click some pictures. I thought why not shoot my intro as well. So today I'm going to this place called Cafe Tove. It's a Korean food place and I have been wanting to try out Korean food since a very long time. I don't know what is happening. Every day कुछ ना कुछ construction का काम चलता रहता है. I don't know इतना क्या ताजमहल बना रहे ये लोग. So I've never really tried like proper authentic Korean food. I have only had ramen. वो भी I think I got it from Spencer's and I made it at home. And all over my YouTube also I've been seeing these amazing Korean food vlogs. So I thought why not go and try it out myself. Let's see if I like it or not. So this is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this really cute purple dress and with this I'm carrying my favorite bag. This is from this brand called Zook. I love the design of it. I love the pattern on it and since I wear a lot of colorful outfits, this goes with almost everything because of its design. It also has a back zip where I keep all my money. It's really convenient. This bag is so spacious. I can fit a lot of stuff like my camera, my purse, sanitizer, mask and everything. So Zook is cruelty-free, vegan and PETA approved. They also make a lot of other kinds of bags like laptop bags, wallets, sling bags, travel bags, etc. Their designs are inspired by Indian culture and heritage. You should definitely go check out their website. And since Christmas is coming, you can give this to your mother or your sister or your girlfriend, friends, literally anyone. It's a great gifting option. You can also use my code YTANNA15 for 15% off. You can shop from their website Zook. The link is in the description box. Check out their Instagram and YouTube channel for more information.
I already know what I want to eat.
Check karo.
Oh boy. Blast हो गई.
Too hot to handle.
Too hot.
I already know what I want to eat.
Oh, you already know. Let me see. मैंने menu देखा नहीं है. I can't pronounce half of these names. क्या ये tteokbokki?
They have Korean classes
मेरे को tteokbokki खाना है.
That's the rice cake thing.
Oh yeah. What is this? Tang Seuk. I'm butchering these names.
We'll order kimbap. We have the kimchi momos. I don't know. Okay, this is kimchi.
Ramen नहीं खाएंगे. Ramen is too mainstream.
No.
It's called tteokbokki.
Yeah, tteokbokki.
You can also watch some Korean shows if you sit inside, but we chose to sit outside because the view is better and I'm planning to take pictures over there. बहुत अच्छा आएगा. So this is what is this? This is
Kimbap.
sushi.
Kimbap.
So this is kimbap and this is tteokbokki.
Kimbap is Korean.
Okay.
Where is my chicken roll?
यहाँ पे chicken roll नहीं मिलेगा. Do you all know how to use chopstick? I know it.
Kinda do.
You will teach us. Come on.
Wait 1 second. Focus.
No.
Yeah,
Do you know?
You and Anna know and you will teach us.
I mean,
We know how to use it. Yes.
Do high five with chopsticks.
High five.
do dandiya.
Dandiya.
Yeah.
ये क्या
I know
है?
I'm excited.
What is this
Kimchi.
Kimchi.
Kimchi is basically like a salad, like a Korean salad kind of thing.
So the first thing that I had there was tteokbokki. I hope I'm pronouncing the name correctly. It's a very famous Korean street food and I've seen this dish in so many K-dramas. It was really tasty, had a very different sweet and sour flavor to it. The only complaint I have about this dish is that it was too chewy, but overall it was really tasty and it was very different and I loved it. I would rate this one maybe 4 out of 5. The next dish I had was kimbap. It looked like sushi. It had a very unique flavor. It's made from rice and ingredients such as veggies, fish and meat. Kimchi is like a Korean salad which is mainly made from cabbage and spring onion. I feel like everything that I ate had too much masala to it.
Where we check?
Got it.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, actually.
हाँ ना pick it up. पागल. Bro, it's gonna fall. No photo shoot going on. मुझे भी चाहिए ठीक है. Even I want Instagram pictures. My forever photographer. You all keep asking me who clicks my Instagram pictures. It's Akshay, the great. It's so much better than the normal momo that we eat. I feel like.
Wow, momo.
इसमें actually क्या है? Chicken stuff है और क्या है? Veggies and chicken stuff.
Flavorful.
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out क्या है.
This is what sauce?
The
Chili sauce.
sauce.
Oh, tteokbokki sauce.
Tteokbokki sauce. How fancy.
So this is the last dish that we ordered. What is it called?
Bibimbap.
This is called bibimbap and it's like a huge bowl. What are these veggies?
You can see carrot.
This is carrot. This is onion.
This is
egg.
not onion. This is onion.
Oh, this is onion. That is stem onion or something like that. Is it called? This is chicken. This is egg. और नीचे I think noodles है.
Rice.
Rice.
And this is the sauce that goes with it.
Okay.
Just put it here, no? Once.
Is it like spicy sauce or something?
Might be.
Yeah, it's very comforting. It's like you can have this normal.
Put this sauce like in your dal chawal will be the same.
I don't think so, but maybe.
Aesthetic dal chawal.
How was your experience?
My experience was good. I did not like this one much, but I like the
I
other.
think this is my favorite out of all. And even the kimchi momo, that one was
I
really
like
nice.
the momos. I like the momos and what did we order at the first? In the beginning?
Overall, all the dishes were really nice.
Yeah.
How was your experience, Shreyoshi?
Different.
What did you like the most?
I like the drinks. I like the kimbap.
Sushi. Sorry,
Yeah.
me.
Yeah, and Akshay.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So we are today here at the Cafe TOV and we're trying to explore new foods here. And this is my friend Anna. So
Please taking over my channel.
yes,
Yeah,
please.
I'm selling your channel for 600.
She's selling it for 50 rupees and I'm 50 rupees only guys, so it's not too much. Alright guys, so we have a couple of TikTokers around.
TikToker, I tried making a reel. अच्छा बना है.
We'll leave this to the kids around and we'll leave.
So we are done with the food and now just walking. Amazing. Accident होने से बच गए तुम लोग. Wow, this is so pretty. मच्छर भी बहुत है.
भाई मेरे को
Putting machars around also.
भाई मच्छर बहुत है नहीं तो it's very pretty this location.
जाओ तुम जाओ.
What is that? Is that the 42?
नहीं, that's the
यहाँ
32.
42 कहाँ मिलेगा तुमको पगली?
यार मैं क्या कर रही हूँ रोड पे?
Flip the bottle challenge करना है क्या?
क्या? What challenge?
Flip the bottle.
She can't use this card.
Wait, रास्ते में करूँगी.
There's somebody. पीछे गाड़ी आ रहा है ना?
Oh, amazing. मेरा भी एक्सीडेंट होने वाला था अभी.
Just blogger
So we are
things. We are
doing
not worried about
Flip the
anything
bottle
else.
Challenge on road of Calcutta.
Yeah.
I bet 10 rupees कि मैं
No.
नहीं कर पाऊँगी.
If you can't do it, you'll have to take a dive. Skinny dipping here.
Okay, 3, 2.
Oh,
shit!
that
Oh boy.
This time I'll do it.
Yes. अभी mermaid is trying. Oh
Why
boy.
can't I do it?
Let.
अक्षय. हाँ.
socializing, okay?
ऑटो वाले भैया को इज आस्किंग आपके पास जीपे है, आपके पास पेटीएम है. लेट्स गो ऑटो पार्टी. This auto has a speaker also.
Auto is so lit, man.
So that's it for the video guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My experience having Korean food for the first time was amazing. If you also want to visit this place, then you can. I will put the name of the cafe in the description box. If you're from Calcutta, you can go try this place out. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down.